Hello everybody, this is Abraham with North Shore Computer Services. What we have here is a MacBook Pro that does not have Wi-Fi on it, or Bluetooth, or any other wireless communications. So if we look up here, you can see that all of the communications are off. If you put your mouse over it, it says no Wi-Fi hardware. So looking at this, I was thinking that it's probably the Wi-Fi adapter that went bad. So let me turn this computer over and look inside. So we got the screws out, and we're gonna pop the hood on the Mac. And this is where the Wi-Fi adapter is. It also carries Bluetooth and whatever radios you have in the computer. It usually is carried by this. Looking at it, it's fine. So I was thinking, and I started taking apart this section. And what I noticed is this cable right here that connects the motherboard to this daughter board was loose. So you can see that it was plugged in just like that, but when I tried to disconnect, it basically disconnected itself. So what you need to do is make sure to plug it back in. That will fix the Wi-Fi issue and Bluetooth issue and all kinds of radios that you have on a computer. But the reason why this happens is, well, Apple uses these foam pads to keep the connectors plugged in. And this computer was quite well used, you can see. So the feet are gone, and apparently this back plate has bowed, all right, a little bit, and it's not holding these things all the way. So I'll show you a fix for that. So I have this foam pad, which is relatively thick, I mean, relatively speaking, for this application, it'll be doubling the foam pad that's on there. I got it we have a store called American Science and Surplus. If you have a store like that, you're lucky, because this thing is available in there and it's not very expensive. If you don't have a store like that around you, look up online. Put a thickness on there, maybe 3mm foam pad, and see if you can find a little piece. That's what fixes these issues. So let me see if I could do it with one hand. If not, I'll put the camera, well, I'll just pause it. So I have 3 pieces, and we'll put one on here, and one on a hard drive cable, so that they would stay back, not disconnect by themselves. So let's see if it's doable with one hand. The glue is sticky on here. Okay. I guess these things are used in automotive industry, so they're good quality. I mean, the foam pads. So we'll put the other one in place. I pause it. So we got 3 of them in place. Okay, so if you put the back plate, it's just going to crush them a little bit and make the connectors go and do their job. So let me pause it and turn on the computer. So as you can see, the Wi-Fi is back on. and ready to make the connections. So hopefully this helps somebody and solves an issue in a quick manner. If somebody is going to be opening up a computer, you're going to see some dust perhaps. Make sure to clean that out and clean out the air passages. If this is too intimidating, make sure you get somebody who knows what they're doing to do that for you. Now, it may be a bad network controller also, so it's not always a cable situation. In this computer it was a cable, but make sure to get it properly diagnosed before you actually do the repair or whatever. So if this helps somebody, give me some likes, subscribe, and you have a good day.